This is LWT. We now join this morning with Ross Kelly and Karen Keating.
It's a funny old world, brought to you by Fanta. In Fort Norman, Canada, ice block pushing was the highlight of the social calendar.
Neat block, Todd.
Well, thank you, Tammy.
Conversation was either boring or very boring. Until one day, a special effect turned up that was to change their lives forever. From that moment on, the only ice blocks in Fort Norman were the little ones that come in rubber trays. Even long-lost cousins were impressed. But unfortunately for Todd,
Hey, neat drink, Tammy.
his chat-up technique was rubbish. Fanta, welcome to the world.